Rich Dad, Poor Dad, Audio Summary. Hey there, and welcome to Rich Life, the place where your journey to financial freedom begins. Imagine waking up every day knowing your money is working for you, not the other way around. No more living paycheck to paycheck, no more stressing about bills. Today, we're diving into Rich Dad, Poor Dad, a game-changing book that flipped the way millions think about money, work, and wealth. If you want to break free from the 9-to-5 grind and build real, lasting wealth, then stick around because this summary will change how you see money forever. Let's get started. Section 1. The Two Dads. Robert Kiyosaki grew up learning from two dads, his biological poor dad and his friend's rich dad. Poor dad believed in education, getting a steady job, and working hard. Rich dad taught about financial education, investing, and building assets. Rich dad, poor dad, or. These two perspectives shaped Kiyosaki's understanding of money and success. Section 2. The importance of financial education. Financial literacy is key. In school, no one taught me what an asset was. No one explained cash flow. No one mentioned debt, taxes, or investments. Schools don't teach how money really works. Rich Dad stressed learning about money, investments, and how to make your money work for you. Section 3. Assets versus liabilities. The big takeaway: buy assets, not liabilities. Assets put money in your pocket, like rental properties, stocks, or businesses. Liabilities take money out, like debt or personal cars that cost you. To build wealth, focus on accumulating assets. Section 4. Work to learn, not just to earn. Work to build skills, sales, investing, management, instead of just working for a paycheck. This mindset opens doors to financial independence. Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Section 5. Overcoming fear and taking risks. Fear of losing money stops most people. Rich Dad said successful people learn to manage risks and take smart chances. You want to be rich? Learn the language of money. The wealthy don't work for money. They understand it. Main lessons of the book. 1. The rich don't work for money. They make money work for them. Poor Dad taught Robert to find a stable job. Rich Dad taught him to create income streams that generate money even while he sleeps. Passive income. 2. Why financial education is crucial. Schools teach you to be an employee, not an entrepreneur or investor. Real wealth comes from understanding how money, debt, taxes, and investing work. 3. Mind your own business. Focus on building your asset column, not just your income from a job. Even if you work for someone else, start investing and building passive income streams on the side. The history of taxes and the power of corporations. The rich use corporations to minimize taxes and protect wealth. The poor and middle class pay taxes first, then spend what's left. The rich earn, invest, then pay taxes on what remains. 5. The rich invent money. Opportunities are everywhere if you're financially educated and willing to take risks. Learn to identify undervalued assets, real estate deals, or business opportunities. 6. Work to learn, not just to earn. Kiyosaki urges people to work in different industries to learn valuable skills like sales, marketing, accounting, leadership, and investing. 7. Overcome fear and embrace risk. Fear of losing money keeps people stuck in the rat race. Rich Dad encouraged learning from failure and embracing calculated risks. Rich Dad. Poor Dad teaches us to change our mindset about money. Focus on financial education, invest in assets, and work smart. Start applying these principles today and move closer to the rich life you want. Don't be afraid to take action. Do not be afraid. Start small. Create a nice environment. Always remember you done with normal life. Thanks for tuning in to Rich Life. If you liked this summary, Hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more audiobook summaries and financial freedom tips. What book should we cover next? Let me know in the comments below.